this is a dream come true. Girls, repeat after me. Yay!
Okay, you wish partying with your girlfriend. Anything else? Hey, don't faint till we finish writing down your dreams. Focus so we could create a perfect world. Hey! Oh my, not like this. No, no.
Let's get inside her head to learn about her dreams.
That's a great idea. Barbieland, here we go. What's going on? What a crazy trip to the dream world. Where is Barbie? Aha! Here's my guide to Barbieland. Whee! Hey, hey, wait for me!
I always dreamed about walking to the beach every morning.
Okay, you're already here. What else?
Well, I want to play volleyball. Oh, my wishes are coming true so fast.
I fulfilled it. Do you want anything else?
A swimsuit. I want a beautiful vintage one. Then let's get started.
Cool! Don't worry about it. Sue and I are taking over. Hold these, please.
Sammy's right. I've got the patterns from any fabric for the perfect swimsuit. Ta-da!
Who's gonna sew it? Let it be you.
It will be ready really soon.
Okay, Barbie, time to change. Get behind the screen and fast.
Your swimsuit is ready. Here you go. I'm done. How do I look? Wow, it looks so good on you. And pink is my favorite color too, just like Barbie's. Oh, thanks. I'm back right on the spot. Barbieland Beach, wait for me. Oh, are these for free? Woohoo! Now I really want to swim. Whee! I'd love to dive in the pool myself.
Barbie, what would happen after swimming?
I would take sunbaths. So relaxing. Though it's too hot and I lost my hat.
We can fix that in no time. Sue, help me.
Sure, I got it. We'll make a fancy hat with a wide brim. What do you say?
That doesn't look like a hat to me. Hey, what? You took a piece of me?
It's just a bottle cap. We'll make the top of the hat from it. Now a piece of rope and the fancy decor is done.
Sue, don't you think the inside of the hat looks a bit off?
We can fix it with coloring. And voila!
This will defo protect anyone from sunburn.
What should I do next in my perfect world? After sunbathing, I need a good beauty treatment. Oh? Oh? What? Paint! Oh no!
Sorry. Those tubes look so similar. Here, this might help.
I think our Barbie needs to chill in the spa room. And I know where we'll arrange it.
I'll take care of the decorations. Watch me. Barbie and I love pink. Just one whoosh, and the walls are done.
And here's a perfect spot for the bathtub.
Here it is. Shower it with thumbs up and no negging.
Thanks! Check it out. It's perfect fit.
Sue, don't you think we shall add pattern on the floor or something?
Do you mean colorful tiles? Here you go. And I also found this cute ottoman. We need more furniture.
I've ordered a new cabinet.
Cool! We'll find place for everything.
Oops, it wasn't me.
Sammy, are you hiding something in there?
Did you really need to ask? I can't leave without surprises. Whee!
Let's cover the top so the fireflies won't escape. We'll also build luxurious columns.
Columns? Did I make this for nothing? What should I do with it now?
Sammy, we have 2 cabinets. Let's place your decor on this one. Perfect!
Barbie also wanted a couch. Look, I got one.
It only needs a seat. And I can't leave it without extra cushions. Wow, this place looks great! I've always wanted a spa room. Whee! There are even lights inside. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you enjoyed. Have a great time.
So, what else is missing in your perfect day? This is a blast! Right, fellas?
I want a party! Let's invite my friends and dance all night. Let's see, I have no food. Oh! Think, Barbie, think!
You can always order something.
You're right. The problem is solved. Hello, I'd like to order the best donuts you have. The most delicious ones.
Got it, miss. One order for Miss Barbie. Here you go.
This is the recipe for the best Barbie donuts.
We can cook donuts over a campfire, like marshmallows.
Let's give it a shot.
Aha! Okay, I'm off. Fry well, my precious. I think they're ready. So, take a bite. I'll cover for you.
What about Barbie?
Fine.
Oh, Sammy, let's keep cooking. I'm gonna add some colorful, yummy toppings. Donuts, come in here.
Ooh, take the packaging and put them inside. Barbie's waiting.
Okay, I got it. But hey, where is Ken? It's time for the delivery.
It's on me now, thanks. Hello, delivery service.
You're the best. Oh, sorry, I embarrassed myself.
Your laugh is beautiful. Can I ask you out sometime? I feel like we were made for each other. We're soulmates.
Of course. I'll go out with you. See you later.
I can't wait. Ouch. I'll call you.
What a cutie. Whee! I'm gonna have a date. That guy Ken invited me to the party. Almost all my dreams came true.
You should wear your most stunning dress and sweep him off his feet.
Oh, my feta! I have nothing to wear! What am I gonna do? Oh, don't panic. I'll help you. It's gonna be all right. First, we'll do your hair. Sammy, get some curlers, please.
Here you go. Barbie, take a deep breath. Sue does the best curls. They'll blow your mind.
Oh, Sammy, thank you. I'll try to not disappoint anyone. And you can watch more Barbie makeovers on our channel.
Listen up! I know how we can speed up the transformation. Just whoosh! Don't go anywhere. We are not done yet.
I'm gonna be late.
Hey, you're one step closer to your dream dress.
Okay. Oh. I'll help you with the next stage.
Wow! It looks so cool already. But we definitely need some glitter. Glitter is my kind of thing. Let's add some more.
Let's shake off the extra glitter.
But not too much. Look how beautiful the dress is. Oh.
So, how do I look?
We are not finished yet. The fairy godmother is carrying shoes. Not crystal ones, though. Fairy delivery has arrived.
I hope nothing turns into a pumpkin today. And your makeover is done. Go and check it out.
This is amazing.
It's the perfect look for a date. Wow! Is this really happening?
Ken came to pick you up. Neat!
Oh my! Is this all for real? Thank you, Sammy.
Bye! Have a good night!
Thank you, Sammy. Thank you!
Well, did our dream therapy session help you?
All my wishes came true. I just needed to make up my mind and take the first step. Sammy, come on. It's all good.
She's so happy. I'm glad I was a part of it.
Slimes are so sentimental. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed Barbie's magic journey.
And send your dolls over to my dream therapy. Bye-bye.